Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to export your Gmail emails to EML files so you can store, transfer, or open them in other email clients. Exporting Gmail to EML lets you archive messages, access them offline, move emails to a new client, and even keep records for legal or long-term storage purposes. There are two ways to export your Gmail to EML format: manually using Gmail or using a specialized automated export tool. We'll show you both methods. In the first method, we use Gmail itself. Follow the steps. Open your Gmail account in your browser. Select the email you want to save and click the three-dot option. From there, select Download Message. That's it. The manual method is free, but it can be slow if you have many emails. You can only save one email at a time. The second method uses a dedicated export tool. Steps to export Gmail emails as EML format are: download the tool and install it on your PC. Click on Open tab and go to Email Accounts, Add Account. Log in using your Gmail credentials. Next, go to Export and select EML as the desired format. Choose the destination path and click Save to start the process. Done. Within few minutes, all your Gmail messages are saved in EML format without any hassle. Export tools are ideal for large mailboxes. They automate the entire process, preserve email structure, include attachments, and let you export everything quickly to EML. The manual method is free but best for a few emails. An automated export tool is faster and ideal for large Gmail mailboxes or frequent exports. Download the tool for the link given in the description box. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you learn how to export Gmail to EML, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more email backup and export tutorials.